The season is about to end and we want to get to 200k subscribers. Bafethu siyanicela, please subscribe. We are left with only 1 month. Can we do it? I believe we can.
Welcome to Amavens on the TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Mamelodi Sundowns 1, Kaizer Chiefs 1. I'm joined by Spouse.
Keep on, bro.
Nandi Rodmani.
Sharp, bro. I'm happy for my result, bro. At least this is Nziguti League Nandi, bro.
Yeah.
So now we down to the Pirate, they will see themselves with Basebens and Jack. Yeah, Manja Sagut Batis Garana and stuff.
Yes, man.
So Manja, I think Ndavale Bati, goal different than sevens. I think it will start working now. Yeah, he's over Bulala Manja.
Yeah.
So he's over Bulala, bro. I'm happy, bro. And as into Infuna go foot is Steve Gutin.
Sundowns. The sky's the limit, but not today.
Mr. Flaminberg. Mr. Flaminberg, how are you?
Yeah. Again, Steve, into ngafuna ukukhuluma bro ukuthi Sundowns. I hope ngathi ingakugama ko usupro wami. Uthi World Cup is around the corner bro wami. So demand makuthi uzoselect isquad. Down sidlala kanje. Bro, I'm scared ukuthi uzoselect abobane bro wami. Uthi dinathatha ama player just because of us ukuthi low quality mara yomnikezana la afanayo. Ngisusa bro, I hope ukuthi bangakugama ko usupro wami going forward.
Sure.
What game lebadlala namhlanje Sundowns they were poor honestly.
Very poor.
Umtawu bengasimtawu engimaziko bro wami. Angazi besikhipani. So I hope they will lift up their socks so that demand uYuko Bros makaso select squad se World Cup. As ukuthi select abantu abastrong abazomenzela umsebenzi day. Yeah. So ngicela ukuthi njalo bro wami. So and again I will say thanks to Ipac for it bro wami. Basebenzile namhlanje. Umunyane no cross no Simangu. Bro basebenzile. Yeah, no Eden and no goalkeeper. They basebenzile bro wami. Basebenzile. Yeah, basebenzile bro wami. Basebenzile bro wami. So yeah, I will interview ngifuna ukutshela yona bro.
Thanks boss. It's the song.